Hey everyone, in this video today I have an issue with this Xiaomi scooter. What's wrong with it is, when it's off, I can't turn it on even when the battery holds a charge. So, if I plug in a charger however, and then go back to the button, suddenly it'll turn back on. Check this out. Yep, see it came on, and then I can unplug the charger and go on my merry way. So what that means is the battery is having an issue. I tried riding it as is after charging the battery, and it went about a mile, and then the battery indicator showed that it was done. So it is time to replace the battery. First thing we will do is remove all the screws along the edge of this battery cover, and then the battery cover should just pop off. Okay, so with the screws out, we're able to pull this cover off. The battery is held in by 4 screws. There's one over here, one over here, and 2 more on this side of the battery. Now we will remove the wires. There's this one going into the controller, as well as this one over here going into the charger, and also this white, yellow, and green one, but I pulled this incorrectly. The whole connector came off, but I can just slide these back onto the 3 pins. Don't worry about that. There's also one over here that connects to the tail light. So we've now freed the old pack. So this is the new pack. It has a blinking blue light right there. Stick this connector into here. After that taillight connector, we put in this rubber piece here. Then we'll mount the screws. I have one screw up here, and then I have another one over here, and that helps me line up the bottom 2 as well to put in, which are here, and then over here as well. This main power XT30 connector goes into the controller here. With that at minimum, we can verify functionality. So without the white, yellow, and green wires, the battery indicator does not work. If I run this, it is running all the way up to 29 kilometers per hour. So now we know if the white, yellow, and green connector does not come on your battery indicator will not work. Or if you're like me and accidentally unplug the whole connector, that will not work either. To my amazement, the connector slid right in, and I was able to connect this back. And now, if I turn this back on, I get the battery indicator. So now you know how to replace the electric scooter battery on a Xiaomi M365, which is similar to a Hiboy S2 and a couple of other scooters. Now for this old battery pack, I just wanted to test it just to see what the level was at. And it's showing me 18 volts.